How to activate deleted account on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. To activate deleted account on Instagram, open any of your browser. Here I'll be opening Google Chrome. Now go to Instagram. On the search box type instagram.com. Now here you can see login or sign up. Click on login. Now enter the username of your deleted Instagram account and then enter its password. Now click on login. Now you will be seeing this kind of pop-up. Want to keep using this Instagram account? Here you will have to click on keep account. Now Instagram will verify your account by sending you 6-digit code on your email address or phone number. So choose any of them and then click on send security code. As I have chosen mail here, so I will be opening Gmail app for the code. So open your Gmail app. Here you can see I have got mail from Instagram. So open it and then copy this 6-digit code. Again open Instagram and paste this code. Now click on submit. By doing this, you will be successfully able to get back a deleted account on Instagram. But you must remember that this process must be done within 30 days of your account deletion. So if you exceed 30 days, you can't recover your account back. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.